It means the very foundation for measuring UK productivity is now incredibly volatile. So, for decades, the UK depended on something called the Labor Force Survey, or LFS, to figure out how many people were in jobs and how many hours they were working. But after the pandemic, when interviews went remote, the response rates just plummeted. The survey, which was the bedrock of our economic data, basically became statistically unreliable. It means the very foundation for measuring UK productivity is now incredibly volatile. We can't really be sure how many hours the country is actually working anymore. Okay, so facing this data crisis, the Office for National Statistics, that's the ONS, they had to act fast. They came up with a pretty clever, but let's be honest, a definitely compromised solution to try and patch this massive hole. So, to fix this, the ONS basically cobbled together a hybrid model. For step one, they started using solid tax data, it's called RTI, to get a reliable count of employees. But, and this is the key part, for steps two and three, counting the self employed and figuring out the average hours people work, they still had to rely on that struggling old LFS survey. I mean, the fix is practical, but it is far from perfect. Our best guess at productivity is still completely dependent on that weak LFS data for the hours worked part.